There's a fungus that turns ants into zombies. It takes over their brain and makes them climb high before killing them. The Suriname toad gives birth through holes in its back, and the babies crawl out. Vampire bats don't just suck blood. They sneak up while you sleep and make tiny cuts you barely feel. The hairy frog breaks its own bones to create claws when it feels threatened. Yes, Wolverine style. Botflies lay eggs under your skin. When they hatch, larvae wriggle beneath the surface until they burst out.